Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be the last video in this series of me talking about summer makeup trends, as this is already July, But still, I'm going to talk about a makeup trend that ruled the runways until like March and hopefully will rule again when this COVID thing is over already. The trend that I'm going to talk about is the white eyeliner trend, and I'm going to show you several ways to wear white liner so you could rock this trend and keep it, young and trendy. For those who are visiting for the first time, my name is Dana. I'm a professional makeup artist, and this channel was created as a platform to talk about makeup, demonstrations on different techniques, and among many other topics, talk about makeup trends. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell right next to that subscribe button so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. White eyeliner was always a big thing amongst makeup artists, and some would say it's magic. Its most common use is to give the illusion of a bigger eye and to make a fresh look as if the model or the client actually slept over 8 hours a night. I mean, who does really? So today I'm going to show you several ways to wear white eyeliner, and some of them are very wearable and easy. Some of them might seem to you more editorial, but I promise there's something for everybody. Especially the part with the looking young, fresh, and not tired. Am I right or am I right? Right? Okay, guys, that's it. 4 ways to use white eyeliner. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me, would you use one of these? And if so, which one? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you again next Friday at 10 a.m. And until then, stay safe, would you? Thanks again for watching. Bye!